Good morning everyone. My name is Tejas Tiwari and I am from grade 8. Today I am going to talk about global warming and green sea turtles. Global warming is a long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900 due to human activities. Primarily fossil fuel burning which increases heat trapped in greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiations that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Higher temperatures are worsening many types of disasters, including storms, heat waves, floods, and droughts. A warmer climate creates an atmosphere that can collect, retain, and drop more water, changing weather patterns in such way that wet areas become wetter and dry areas become drier. Now I would like to talk about the green sea turtles. The green sea turtles is one of the largest sea turtles and the only herbivore among the different species. Green turtles are in fact named for the greenish color of their cartilage and fat, not their shells. In the eastern Pacific, a group of green turtles that have darker shells are called black turtles by the local community. Green turtles are found mainly in tropical and subtropical waters. Like other sea turtles, they migrate long distances between feeding grounds and the beaches from where they hatch.
The effects of global warming are having enormous impacts on sea turtles and other wildlife. The rate of global warming far exceeds the abilities of animals to adapt naturally to such dramatic environmental changes. Sea level rise from the melting of polar ice is already contributing to the loss of beach and sea turtle nesting habitat. Weather extremes, also linked to climate change, mean more frequent and severe storms which alter nesting beaches, cause beach erosion and inundate or flood sea turtle nests. Hotter sand from increasing temperatures results in decreased hatching rates or complete nest failure. Increased sand temperatures also affect hatchlings by altering natural sex ratios, with hotter temperatures producing more female hatchlings. A recent study in Australia found that 99% of the green sea turtles around Rain Island were female. Sea turtles use ocean currents to travel and find prey. Warming ocean temperatures influence migratory species by altering currents and impacting the distribution and abundance of prey species. This can result in southerly species being found in more northerly regions, well outside of their normal range. Warmer water temperatures also affect coral reefs through coral bleaching, which are vital to the survival of species like the hawksbill. Human activities which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, like the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, are the primary contributor to warming. Deforestation is also a major source of greenhouse gases. Scientists predict that it could result in 20 to 30% of the Earth's plant and animal species going extinct by 2050. The top emitting countries in order are China, the US, Russia, India, and Japan. However, the per capita emissions of the US is 5 times higher than China and 20 times higher than India. Tree takes in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which counteracts global warming. The more trees we have on the planet, the more carbon dioxide that is absorbed by them. The oceans also act as a carbon sink. Approximately a third of all human related greenhouse gas emissions are absorbed by the oceans.
Turtle egg hatching have some defect due to global warming, as one of the species of the turtles is known as olive ridley in Odisha. Just for an example, their eggs, even every species of turtles, need a particular temperature to get hatched, but due to global warming, which is causing an increase in atmospheric temperature, the average temperature of atmosphere is increased, which have many bad impact for their eggs to be hatched. The baby turtle inside the same egg is also facing a lot of problems. They are not properly developed. Some are physically disabled. Global warming is putting a lot impact on the proper development of the baby in the egg. This shows that we people are putting our earth in danger. There was a research being done by the scientists of Australia about the turtle's eggs to be hatched. Global warming does not have its impact on atmosphere only. There are some more creatures on our beautiful earth which is full of treasures and surprises. Now coming to our topic, as I told earlier about the research of turtles' eggs, we all know that when female turtle lays their eggs, they can't be at one place only for protecting their young ones, who in just few more days who in just few more days will be welcome to our earth. The 99% of the eggs which are hatched are female. The 99% of the babies which come out of the eggs are female, and only 1% um, of the eggs which are hatched are male, and that's not right. It's the global warming main thing we are talking about here. Due to global warming, the eggs which female turtle lay, she puts their eggs in their nest. Global warming does not only varies in atmosphere but on the sand and others. As we all discussed that for turtle eggs to be hatched, they need a specific temperature. So, the sand being very hot in daytime, we all must be familiar with types of breeze, which are sea breeze and land breeze. So the land being very hot during daytime, um, and due to global warming, their sex may vary. Yes, and this is called femination, um, and could be a bad news for the species. Without more males, this globally population of over 2 lakhs nesting female turtle could eventually crash. Scientists, wildlife managers, and WWF Australia are working on um, practical ways to help the turtle.